all, ito po yung advocacy ko talaga and to give hope for these children. And of course, giving them education na rin. And of course, sister ko to, so may source na ako to help these kids.
Bukod sa thank you, ano yung mga sinabi sa inyo ng mga kids kanina habang nangyayagay kayo ng school supplies? Yung mga message pa sila sa inyo?
When I'm with kids, I just feel really good, and whatever message they give me, hug, smile, or a simple, ate, parang idol kita, it makes me happy na. Like, these are the simple things that really make me happy.
Kanina sinabi ng mga bata na marami silang pangarap, may mga gustong mag-nurse, mag-doktor, maging beauty queen, and all. So, isang edge nila kung meron silang good education. So, yun ang gusto namin mangyari sa kanila. Kaya ginagawa din namin itong outreach program na to.
Visiting here and just seeing how happy they get with such simple things, just highs from us, photos with us, food lang, like things that we take for granted every day, but for them it makes them so happy. I think it's, we have such a great platform to be able to kind of show, like enforce the importance of things like education.